Are you feeling stuck with what to post on social media? Or maybe you're just feeling tired of posting content that feels like everyone else's? If so, this is the course for you. In a world where AI is now churning out generic content at lightning speed, your personal story is the one thing that can help you to stand out. And that's what we're going to explore more of in this class. Hi, my name's Louise. I'm a digital marketer with over 14 years of experience in the industry. I also help solo businesses and creatives with their marketing. And I can honestly say what's made the biggest impact in my own online presence hasn't been fancy strategies or hacks. It's been sharing real, honest stories. Years before I started my marketing consultancy business, I started a blog and I began posting on social media about my scoliosis journey following spinal fusion surgery. This was a major operation to correct and stabilize a curve in my spine. At first, it was just a diary, but pretty quickly it started growing. People were finding it. I was getting comments, DMs, and emails from people saying things like, I thought I was the only one, or that my content had helped them to feel less alone. Before long, I had thousands of followers online, a growing email list, and thousands of monthly blog visits. Even though it can be really scary, it can also be really powerful to share something real, and it can also help and inspire others when you do. And that whole experience is a big part of what motivated me to start my own business. Living with scoliosis has made me determined to challenge myself, to help others through courses like this, and to create work that actually means something. And see what I did there? By sharing a little of my story just now, I'm already starting to build connection with you. And that's the power of storytelling. It's how you build real engagement. This class is all about storytelling for social media. And I'm not talking about the overly polished, dramatic kind that you may have seen on LinkedIn. You know, the ones like the time I dropped my toast and learned a lesson about leadership. Instead, we'll focus on simple, intentional, human content that feels like you and actually connects. Whether you're a creative business owner, a freelancer, or you just want to grow your presence with more purpose, learning how to tell your story in an honest way can make all the difference, because people remember what feels real. This class is perfect for small business owners, creatives, or anyone that wants to build a personal or business brand that feels genuine. You don't need a background in marketing to take this course. All you need is access to a social media platform of your choice and something that you care about sharing. I'll walk you through why storytelling works, 3 types of stories that connect with your audience, a simple storytelling framework, and how to share your stories your way. Plus, I'll share real examples along the way to bring it all to life. You'll leave this class with a 3-part story series that you can post straight away, plus templates to make writing way easier. If you're ready to post content that actually feels like you and helps you to connect with the right people, then grab a cuppa and let's get started.